Tarot and cosmic predictions for Scorpio 2026. So firstly, we have the Death card. So this means ending of old negative repetitive patterns and beginning of something new, beginning of something positive, fresh, where you will feel revived and rejuvenated. So you are basically being asked to release old identities or any emotional baggage, because this year the planets are going to help you to do this. Over the last few years, you might have felt stuck in cycles that refuse to change, or you might have felt emotionally quite intense. So this year you will realize that carrying the pain no longer serves you. So endings are not losses, but they are transformation. So you need to remember that in 2026. And Jupiter in your second and eighth house is going to help you make those life changes majorly affecting you positively. There's going to be closure of toxic patterns as well. A complete emotional and psychological reset is indicated. Resisting change will feel painful, so accept it, and this will help you to feel more liberated in your lives. Secondly, we have the King of Cups. So this card again points out to certain hesitation during 2026, but at the same time, it calls you to take this particular hesitation as an intuitive guidance while making decisions. This also helps you to feel deeply without losing control. How you respond to certain situations is going to change positively, and this year you will react less. That is going to help you expand your social circle. Your emotional intelligence is going to increase. So you may find yourself becoming emotionally stable after chaos. You're going to handle sensitive situations even more maturely during this year because of your right intuitive guidance. You can attract relationships that can respect your depth. And power comes when emotions are mastered, not suppressed. Thirdly, we have the Ace of Cups. So you're going to start something new in the science related field. It can be related to pharma, engineering, and new stability after transformation is going to come into your lives. So new financial opportunity through a family member emerges. So listen to your family as well. Career or business stability also will increase, and there'll be more inflow of new people, new opportunities, new clientele for your business. A fresh practical beginning follows these kind of emotional endings. This can also be indicative of new job offers, better job opportunities, new investments, and financial planning. You're going to build something solid after a lot of years of struggle. So this transformation is going to lead to tangible growth. Some of the cosmic alignments affecting Scorpio in 2026. Firstly, we have Jupiter in Leo, which is affecting your second and the eighth house. So bringing in more mental calmness, more peace. It's also affecting your career and reputation positively. You can be in authoritative roles. You can be elevated to the next level. Abroad travel is indicated in and around this time. You are also going to guide someone during this stage. So in and around end of May, you can be a mentor for someone, and through that, your influence will also be increased. We also have Saturn in Pisces almost throughout 2026. So Saturn influences your fifth house. So this brings in seriousness in love and creativity. So you can commit, you can get married, you can get elevated in your love life. More intense passion is indicated, and responsibility related to children will also come. There will be more emotional maturity in romantic matters. Casual relationships will fade and meaningful relationships will strengthen during this time. We also have eclipse in and around March 2026 and also September, October 2026, which is going to affect your 5th house and 11th house. So again, sudden shifts can occur in friendships, romantic relationships, but again, this is for your good. You can be more creative in and around during this time, and also friendship and group dynamics can change. Avoid major decisions 3 days before and after the eclipse. Wearing obsidian or black tourmaline can help you stay grounded. You can also practice grounding meditation for emotional balance. You can also chant Om Namah Shivaya regularly for good intuition throughout 2026 to make right decisions.